All aboard the Tech News, Games, and Deals caboose. Tech News. Tello was available earlier in the DJI store. The Tello features 8D flips, 720p video, DJI stabilization flight infrared module, 13-minute flight time, 18-mile-per-hour speed, and has 100-meter range. The drone has 3 easy capture modes: 360, circle, up and away, is only 80 grams, supports Bluetooth RC, smartphone VR headset, and uses programmable Scratch, which is great for kids and teens to learn coding. Tello is priced at $99, but may already be out of stock at the DJI store. Check Amazon or Newegg, links in the description below. Pizza Hut's Pie Tops 2 are the next generation and improve on simply ordering a pizza by pressing the shoe tongue. The right shoe tongue orders a pizza when pressed, while the left tongue smartly pauses your TV. While stylish, the shoes will only have a limited run of 50 pairs available mid-March. Check HyperBeast's Twitter for future updates. Games.Superflight wingsuits test your adrenaline. Fly in procedurally generated worlds dangerously close to cliffs and rock walls. The closer you get, the more points you get. 50% off for $1.50. StarCraft turns 20. Special anniversary stream will be live on Twitch March 30th. Login freebies start March 6th. Log into StarCraft 1 and 2 for UI skins, Diablo 3 Battlecruiser Pet, Overwatch, Sara, Kerrigan, Ghost Skin, and even more rewards on WoW, HOTS, and Hearthstone. Scribblenauts launches Showdown March 6th. Battle with up to 3 friends or solo by using your magic notepad to imagine anything you can think of. Try out 25 different style minigames or try sandbox mode. Deals. The DJI official store has the Spark at $100 off for $400 plus, comes with a free remote controller. Amazon has the Mavic Pro at $770, which is less than the Mavic Air. Amazon has the SanDisk Ultra 3D 250GB at $35 off for $250. Links and news sources in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like or subscribe.